Welcome everyone! Today, we are excited to talk about Xitox Footpads, a revolutionary product designed to give you the ultimate soothing experience for your tired and sore feet. The device contains a unique blend of soft and firm massage bumps. One of the key benefits of Xitox Footpads is their versatility. As well as people who suffer from various foot conditions such as shin splints, sore feet, and chronic foot pain. The device can be used for everyday relaxation, before going to bed, or during periods of increased stress and leg fatigue. The massagers are made of high-quality, durable materials that ensure long-term use. The soft, hypoallergenic fabric ensures a comfortable fit for even the most sensitive feet, while the durable fabric withstands the wear and tear of everyday use. In addition to comfort and versatility, Xitox Footpads also boast a user-friendly design. The massagers are easy to install and can be removed as needed if needed. The controls are simple and intuitive and allow you to adjust the intensity of the massage strokes to suit your preferences. In conclusion, Xitox Footpads are a must-have for anyone looking for a soothing and relaxing foot massage. Their unique design, comfort, and ease of use make them an excellent investment for keeping your feet healthy and happy. So, the next time you feel your tired feet burning, simply pop on a pair of Xitox Footpads and experience the difference for yourself.